Amitabh Bachchan is undoubtedly the favorite actor of many actors. But who are the favorite actors of this favorite actor? Let Amitabh tell you himself. Waida Rahman, Meena Kumari, Nutanji, Gurudutt, Motilal, Raj Kapoor. But as far as the ultimate in performance is concerned, Amitabh says, it's Dilip Kumar. I think some of us would be lying if we say that consciously or unconsciously, Dilip Saab didn't influence our performances in some way or the other. Dilip Saab's performances were so overpowering that we simply cannot overlook or sidestep them. Talking about the heroines, Amitabh says, what was most striking about Waida was her simplicity. There are hundreds of ways of approaching a scene, but she had a simple and unique style of delivering her lines and interpreting the most complex of scenes. What really endeared her to me was that she seemed very vulnerable all the time, very soft and gentle. She always evoked a feeling of wanting to be protected.
मैं अपने ससुर की नजरों में दोषी बन गई। उन्होंने मेरी औलाद मुझसे छीन ली।
Meena Kumari had an overpowering screen presence. Her ability to emote effortlessly was her innate strength. Nutan was extremely natural. One identified with her immediately.
दिल लगी करने के लिए तुम्हें और कोई नहीं मिली? गांव में जवान लड़कियों की क्या कमी है जो मेरे दरवाजे पे आ गए?
Talking about directors, Amitabh says, when I watch Gurudutt's Kaagaz Ke Phool, it occurs to me that it has no parallel even today. It did not enjoy wide acceptance in its time, but today it is regarded as a classic. One can see it again and again. I have never met Gurudutt. I have only read about him, but I am sure his films reflected his personality. A director's film reflects his personality. This is not normally so with actors, but I felt that I had met Raj Kapoor through his films much before I met him in person. I knew that whenever I would meet him, he would be so much like his extravagant, exuberant screen self. Talking about two directors with whom he worked quite a few times, Amitabh says, Manmohan Desai had unbelievable and infectious energy, personally and in his films.
कभी बोलूं मैं कभी बोले तू I love you.
The way Yash Chopra dressed his frame had romance written all over. Talking about some senior actors, Amitabh says, Dada Muni was a phenomenal actor. He had adapted himself to every decade, a true transcender, a connector through different times. Moreover, the fluidity in his performances stayed intact down the years. Dada Muni is a person to be greatly respected. Not much has been written in praise of a great and a very natural actor, Motilal. He was greatly ahead of his times. Were he alive today, his sheer versatility would have ensured a place for him even now.
अरे साहब ये तो बिल्कुल आपने जादू कर दिया मेरे पैसे भी गायब कर दिए और मुझे भी बिल्कुल गायब
Devanand's enthusiasm is enviable. His style, his physicality, his ability to express himself through his body are legend. Amitabh Bachchan is very magnanimous when he talks about his contemporaries in the 70s and 80s, Rajesh Khanna, Shatrughan Sinha and Vinod Khanna. About Rajesh Khanna he says, the kind of craze Rajesh Khanna evoked was unmatchable.
कब कौन कैसे उठेगा ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है.
Shatrughan Sinha and Vinod Khanna were path breakers in the sense they began as traditional commercial villains and became leading heroes.
नहीं तो माँ की कसम तुम्हारी जगह कोई और होता तो हॉस्पिटल का खटिया पकड़ लिया होता.
These quotes are from a conversation Dinesh Raija had with Amitabh Bachchan while writing his book 100 Luminaries of Hindi Cinema.